Hello friends, welcome to SSDN Technologies. Today we will discuss about the AWS and Microsoft Azure. Moreover, we could call it the final cloud battle of the time. The two cloud platforms AWS and Azure are going to compare with each other on various aspects in this video. So let's start the discussion with what is cloud computing and why there is need of cloud computing. It is the delivery of computing services such as servers, software, storage, database management, analytics, and intelligence over the internet rather than a local with pay-as-you-go services. The cloud is the future because of various features and benefits of its over the physical infrastructure at your office. You can know more about the cloud computing by clicking the link in the description. Now we will compare the Azure and AWS on different aspects such as introduction, establishment and availability, revenue, growth, features like pricing, storage, computing power, career front. So let's start the battle. What is AWS? AWS is owned by Amazon and known as Amazon Web Services, is a comprehensive evolving cloud computing platform provided by businesses and large enterprises that help them to grow and scale their business. What is Azure? Azure is a public and private cloud platform. It offers services like IaaS and PaaS and SaaS. Azure is owned by Microsoft. Let's look at the establishment and availability zones. AWS. The AWS is launched in 2006. It is one of the most commonly used platforms across the world and used by majority of the companies around the world. It is present in the 77 availability zone. Azure. The Azure is launched in 2010. It is used by the most of the Fortune 500 companies in the world. So we can say it is no more less than what AWS is. It is available in 60 zones. The market share of the AWS is 40% while the market share of the Azure is of 30%. Let's look at the popularity. The AWS is more popular than Azure. We can look at the clients. The AWS is used by Netflix, Twitch, LinkedIn and Facebook, while the Azure is used by Samsung, eBay, Adobe and Honeywell. Let's compare them on the basis of revenue growth. Azure had higher revenue growth when compared to AWS. While looking at the services, both AWS and Azure offer services in these categories: compute, database, storage, security and networking. Now we will compare them on some of the features and services. Number 1. Computing power. AWS uses elastic cloud computing, that is EC2, which is when the available resource footprint can grow or shrink on demand using cloud computing, with a local cluster provided only part of the resource. While Azure users on the other hand choose a virtual hard disk VHD to create a VM. This can be pre-configured by Microsoft, the user or a separate third party. It relies on virtual scale sets for scalability purposes. Now let's compare them on the basis of storage. AWS storage relies on machine instances which are hosted on AWS infrastructure. Azure on the other hand offers temporary storage with D drive and block storage through page blobs for VM, with block blobs and files doubling as a object storage. AWS has an object limit of 5 TB while the Azure has a size limit of 4.75 TB. Databases. Amazon's relational database services, that is RDS, supports 6 popular database engines, that is Amazon Aurora, MariaDB, Microsoft SQL, MySQL, Oracle and PostgreSQL, while Azure SQL database on the other hand is based solely on Microsoft SQL. Now we will compare them on the basis of pricing. AWS and Azure both offer free introductory tiers to give you a taste of how their system can integrate with you on-premises software. The cost of the 4 CPU and 16 GB is $0.1856 in AWS, while it is $0.1690 in Azure. Now we will compare them on the basis of career front. Both AWS and Azure offer good career to you. You can check the detailed video of both AWS and Azure, which is uploaded on our channel. Being relatively young, Azure is good for the fan of Office, SQL Server, Windows Server, while the dominance over the market is the strength of AWS. You can make good career in both. If you want to get training of AWS or Azure, you can contact us.